let's continue with the main link ads interface. In the previous video, we had a close look at how quick launch works. This video will explain the nuts and bolts of main link ads service. Enter Advertiser dashboard. You have two different modes available when adding your site: the normal mode and the advanced mode. Let's have a look at how our system works in the normal mode. We add a new project, fill in the URL field, click Add. Pay attention. After we have added the new site, the system offers the opportunity to scan and add new pages. Pages are set. In case you want to promote certain search queries for certain pages, then click Add. When we add a new site, only the main page is added by default. Now let's fill in queries for which we want to promote our site. Type in the queries. Along with the manual input, we provide the opportunity to export keywords from the files of different formats. Apart from the described options, we can set up the regions. For this, click Search Engines. Specify the region, and the following queries will be returned taking your region into account. Click Add. Note that each query has its own cost. By clicking on the cost, we are taken to the part of the site where we work with the script for automated purchases. Keep in mind that link purchase is available both in the default automated mode and in the manual mode, which will be described later on. As you see, the system has automatically created a scenario which will be responsible for purchasing links. Its cost can be easily configured by clicking on the green plus radio button and by changing the figures. The default settings of the scenario are set for the lowest recommended values to get you started. You can choose either to use the default settings or to change the values by clicking on the pen button. As you see, you can change any parameter of the default scenario settings. To start purchasing links, it is necessary to add link text. We can manually input link text, or we can choose to automatically generate text links. Specifying percentage for the exact match and for the inflected form. Click Generate. Text link generator is very handy. It creates best suitable links according to the specified parameters. As you see, the system has generated text links, and they are editable. Next, we would like to draw your attention to the convenient option of text links checkup. Now, in this screen, text links are shown in the way they will be displayed on the sites. Here we can easily identify mistakes in keywords and in the words surrounding them. There are often errors because there is no generator that can be 100% correct. This option can be helpful for manual checkup after you have generated your text links automatically. Check the box Exclude duplicates to prevent repetitive content from publishing. Then click Add. Here, the window for checking the text links appears once more, but we have done the checkup already, so just click Add. Text links are added, and you still have the option to add more text links in the list that appeared. Plus, you have the option to edit text links or delete them. Let's go back to the project. As you see, text links are added, and very soon the process of buying links is going to begin. It is performed several times a day. The links are being bought only when there is enough money on your account balance. At the Advertiser dashboard, we can see our project. The links haven't been bought yet. The cost which is displayed here is the sum of the cost for each scenario for the given project. In this case, the scenarios are two filters for two of the queries. This was the example of the automatic link purchase. In addition, we have here an option of manual purchase. Note that the figures in the column rough cost have turned into the link buy. By clicking on the buy link, we can purchase links manually. When you buy links manually, you are taken to our search filters page, but not to the page with scenarios, as it was with the automatic purchase. You can select a category within which the sites will be selected. Next, let's exclude sites where the links have been bought already. You have the choice to buy links on the trusted sites only, namely using our whitelist feature. You are free to create your own whitelist of sites as the workflow goes on, adding up sites that you consider the best ones for you. Note that you can use this list in your filters too. This makes your purchase even cleaner. Note that there is a counter at the bottom, which shows the approximate number of sites and pages matching the given parameters. If any data on the page changes, you can see the updated number of sites by clicking Refresh. Click Apply Filter. In the next step, the system offers the list of the site pages matching our queries. Here you see the number of pages indexed by Google and their PageRank. You can select the most appealing pages from them. We see here that we have bought 2 links. Add the pages with links that we have purchased to the shopping cart. The pages are added. As you see, these new links are now in the shopping cart. Click Next. We want to buy links to 2 pages, and we can see them by clicking on the Show My Shopping Cart link. Note that there is the option Only text links that are not published by default. Use it if you want to link texts only to particular pages. Click Purchase. So as you see, the links are listed as bought. In the drop-down menu, you can see where our links published, time period and price. You can also put the site on the white or black list, delete or freeze. Note that here you can configure columns as you wish. You can change order of the items and define the range. Plus, our most convenient feature, you can change the name of the column or add a new one. Select the desired parameter in the drop-down list. As it was mentioned before, not only can you change the existing column, but you can also add a new one. The new column has been added. Thank you for checking us out. We wish you successful advertising with main link ads.